You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly in English. This is a name of Arabic origin. If you want to learn more confusing names from Arabic, Muslim names, also stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. Arabic pronunciation: Amayah, Amayah, Amayah. In English, it's more commonly pronounced as Amayah, Amayah. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know where you're from and how you like it pronounced, Amayah or Amayah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.